Have you ever heard about computer coding? Coding is how computers are programmed. Coders put in codes or directions into a computer to accomplish a task. Coders learn the foundation of a coding language. Coding is a system of words, letters, figures, or other symbols substituted for other words and letters, especially for the purpose of privacy. Codes are used to convert the words of a message into a particular code in order to make a certain meaning. Code tells the computer what to do like a list of instructions. There are 4 types of coding. The 4 types of coding are data compression, error control, cryptography, and line coding. Zip data compresses data to make it smaller. Error control adds bits to make transmission smoother. Cryptography keeps data secure. Data transmission is the process of transferring data between 2 or more devices. Basically, data transmission enables devices or components within devices to speak to each other. Data storage refers to the use of recording media to data using computers or other devices. Some forms of data storage are file storage, block storage, and object storage, within each being used for different purposes. Block storage, sometimes referred to block-level storage, is a technology that is used to store data files on storage area networks or cloud-based storage environments. Developers favor block storage for computing situations where they require fast, efficient, and reliable data transportation. Object storage systems allow retention of large amounts of unstructured data. Object storage is used for purposes such as storing photos on Facebook, songs on Spotify, or files in online collaboration services such as Dropbox. By learning to write code, you can tell computers what to do or how to behave in a faster way. The coder cannot really create a code, but can use codes by putting the directions to do a task into a website. For example, electrical circuits process computer information. Electrical circuits can turn on and off using binary digits, 1s and 0s. Binary numbers can also represent yes or no and true or false. The coder works on a computer coding website. Sometimes there are bugs and glitches, then the command fails. The coder puts the command in the computer. The computer should recognize the command. When it recognizes the code, it takes the code and knows how to react to the code. It takes the code that you put into the computer and performs the command. Programmers may use different languages for large projects. For example, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, and others. Not every programmer knows every language, like people do not know every language that is spoken. Codes can be written in different languages like HTML and CSS. I hope that you learned what coding is, how codes are developed, and how codes develop different designs. Maybe someday you'll try coding. For more information, go to my blog at blogs.scarzoschools.org/khorner28.